Welcome back to my cooking vlog, mga lods. But anyway, here we go again. We can make something dinner, but as always, I always make cheap and easy. Sana all. But anyway, we had chicken, and we had, of course, we have pampatanggal ng aswang. It's garlic, ginger, and then we have carrots, and of course we had this a little bit sliced for onions. But anyway, I was about to forget. But anyway, for today's video, we will making a soup because it's cold outside, mga lods. Oh my god! And I'm gonna have another leftovers for tonight, and then I'm gonna bring it tomorrow. How about that? So anyway, mga lods, let's start our cooking time. Samahan nyo ako, magluto na naman tayo. Anyway, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Our channel grow a little bit slowly but surely. Sana all. But anyway, shout out everybody. If you like my videos, I really appreciate it, guys. And like I always do, I'll make some very simple recipe, but anyway, mostly it's just cook at home anyway. So mga lods, let's start our cooking. Let's start. Then of course we need our oil. Okay, we will put our garlic. Alright. And after that, we will put our chicken. And after that, I already boiled some eggs as well. We can add our chicken, and that's a chicken wings. We will cook it. Cook our chicken wings. We can cook these noodles. Anyway, I love these noodles. And sometimes you can put this one can't remember, sardines. Yeah, sardines. For our recipe for today is noodle soup. I just made it I just name it noodle soup. Udong. So there you go, mga lods. We will add salt and pepper. There you go. Just like that. Very simple. You can use ramen noodles as well if you want like that. But you just make sure you cook your chicken first, all your vegetables, whatever you want. Anything you want, kind of vegetable, so you can add it as well. I don't have a cabbage. I just had carrots, but that'll be fine. And now we can add it. Oh my god. Just like that, mga lods. So, okay, mga lods, let's check our chicken. I think it's about ready to put some water. There you go. And of course, we will not gonna forget our magic sarap. Yummy yummy, pang yummy yummy tummy, mga lods. Diba? Or you can put some chicken cubes, chicken bouillon, whatever you want. Alright, mga lods, I'm gonna add turmeric powder. Recipe. But I like to add a lot of stuff, so yeah. Okay, mga lods, let's add some water. Let it boil a little bit, and we will add our udong. Yeah, udong. Udong noodles. But anyway, appreciate again for your support. subscribe pa more. So, ito mga lods, ang ating udong. Yeah, udong. So, to all Filipino out there, I know you like udong. Anong luto ang ginagawa niyo mga lods sa ating udong? But anyway, for mine, I like to make some soup. Here you go mga lods. Let's get ready to put our noodles. I just added. Yeah, got this one in Philippines when my girl went in Philippines, so she bought me udong. So my sister bought me udong and sent it to me. That's what we do. If you go in Philippines, you're gonna bring something goodies. Because if you buy in a Filipino store, somewhere Asian store, they're too expensive. So mga lods, after 10 minutes, here you go, our noodles. Yay, yummy na siya. Sarap na siya, lods. Udon. I love that noodles. There you go, mga lods. Here's our noodles. I will add eggs. It's kind of like an egg drop soup. Eggs, just drop a little bit. There you go, like egg drop soup. And let it sit like that. There you go mga lods, our soup for tonight. It's time to eat mga lods. After 20 minutes, our dinner is ready. Yan, mga lods, we're ready to eat again. So there you go, here's our soup. Thank you again sa panunood ng aking small vlog and easy recipe o simpleng recipe lang, napakasimple lang mga lods. If you have udon noodles, ganito yung gagawin mo, ang sarap niya. Yeah. Pero kung meron ka naman sardines, you can use your sardines anyway. But anyway, this is how I make my udon. So, paano yan mga lods? Kain na tayo. Thank you again for subscribing my channel at sa panonood. So, I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye!